In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to add description to your YouTube channel using the YouTube Studio app. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this helpful. Let's do it. Get into your YouTube Studio app homepage like this. Tap on your YouTube channel's profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. You'll be presented with an interface like this. Tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner and/or besides your channel name. Once on this page, tap on the pencil icon at the portion where description is written. Once here, you're free to type a new description, edit an existing one, or even add more information to your YouTube channel. After everything, locate the Save button at the top right corner of the screen, tap it, and your YouTube channel description is duly saved. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing to my channel, like, comment, and share to others who may need this. See you in the next video.